Welcome to the Spartan machinery, where innovation meets reliability and engineering meets excellence. Since 1992, we've redefined construction machinery standards in India and beyond. We don't just build machines, we build trust, technology, and performance. Spartan specializes in automatic fly ash brick machines, cement brick machines, Paver block machines, and hydraulic concrete block machines, crafted with precision, durability, and automation. Key features: German-engineered vibration technology, heavy-duty hydraulic pressure up to 400 tons, Siemens PLC touchscreen controls, robotic lifting and smart stacking automation. Whether you make fly ash bricks, paver blocks, or concrete blocks, Spartan ensures uniform quality, strength, and productivity. From startups to large plants, we deliver customized, reliable solutions. The Spartan machinery, built in India, trusted worldwide.